Welcome to Brewtiful Beginnings, a cozy little corner for coffee, tea, dessert drinks, and the small rituals that make the day feel sweeter. If you found this channel because you love iced lattes, cold foam, matcha, refreshers, dessert coffees, pretty glassware, or Starbucks-inspired drinks you can make at home, you are in the right place. Here, every video is made to feel warm, simple, and easy to follow. You will find cozy recipe ideas, drink inspiration, seasonal sips, cafe-style treats, and little tips that make your kitchen feel a bit more like your favorite coffee shop. Brewtiful Beginnings is not just about making a drink. It is about the whole moment. The glass, the foam, the drizzle, the garnish, the first sip, and that quiet feeling of making something pretty for yourself. Each week, this channel will bring you longer recipe videos, drink roundups, coffee and tea ideas, dessert pairings, glassware inspiration, and simple ways to recreate cafe-style drinks at home. You will also see short recipe videos across Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, so you can save quick ideas for later when you need a new drink to try. For the full recipes, cozy notes, product finds, and extra details, visit brewtifulbeginnings.com. The blog is where the recipes can breathe a little more, with ingredients, steps, tips, substitutions, and links to helpful tools. There is also a Brewtiful Beginnings Substack for shorter notes, seasonal ideas, and little coffee shop-style inspiration sent in a more personal newsletter format. Most of the videos here are faceless and voice-over-led, so the focus stays on the drinks, the cozy visuals, and the feeling of building a beautiful little routine at home. If that sounds like your kind of space, make sure you subscribe here on YouTube, follow Brewtiful Beginnings on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and visit brewtifulbeginnings.com for the full recipes and weekly posts. Pour up, stay a while, and spill a little. This is Brewtiful Beginnings, and I am so glad you are here.